If you're a planner, a journaler, or even a scrapbooker, you are in the right place. We've got a little treat in store today because I have an actual deluxe journaling kit right back there. What makes it so special? Why is it always sold out? How it's perfect for both journaling and planning. Trust me, if you want to level up your creative game, this is the kit to do it with. The KRODesigns Deluxe Journaling Kit, in my humble estimation, is more than just a collection of items and supplies put together into one kit. It really is a curated experience from KRODesigns, bringing the best of their creativity and their best of their organization and putting those together into one smash of a kit. Now, before I go into all the nuances that makes the Deluxe Journaling Kit so special, I want to also recommend that you head on over to the website and make sure you look at the description of the Deluxe Journaling Kit. That will have a breakdown of every single one of the items in each and every kit every month. So what makes this so special? Well, I believe it's because it takes items, the most popular items from two other kits, and combines them together along with exclusive items into one magnificent unit. For this month, there was, just for an example, there was a sheet of vellum, the one with the little cute gold anchors on them, the stamp set of Quiet Moments and the banner, 2 sheets of settled pattern paper. Those are the smaller pieces of pattern paper. The Blue Shells roll of washi, that is exclusive to the kit. And lastly, the specialty paper, which is for this month, that really great rope paper. Now, the items that are the same as the planner kit, and this does change, but for the most part, it's right around the same amount of items. You get the sheets of 13 by 8.5 paper. Those are the ones that are folded. Those 3 sheets of paper are also in the planner kit. The sticky note pad with the beaded chain, that was also in the planner kit, and you can see how cute that looks right here on my traveler's notebook that I made portholes with. The adhesive back tabs, which I find very useful, those are also in this kit and the main planner kit. And then the sheet of PET stickers, the pet stickers that are see-through, those are the same as the planner kit. The majority of this kit is the same as the journaling kit. These are all of those flat or nearly flat items. The journaling kit is primarily made for those people who enjoy having non-dimensional stickers or elements that are added to their planner page. And those items, which are the same, are the 4x6 card with the journaling prompts, the 2 rub-on sheets, the sheet of vellum alpha stickers, those are the tan ones. And I love the fact that they've put attention to detail, that the fact that I only need a couple Z's and I need a lot more A's. So I love those tan stickers for that. Then there's miscellaneous vellum stickers. These are mostly decoration stickers, but there also is 2 sheets of vellum pattern paper stickers that are whole sheet stickers that you can use however you want. Okay, so now it's time. Let's break down my top 5 reasons why I think this is the best kit and why it's always sold out. This kit is the perfect blend of planning and journaling supplies in one kit. I believe it has a tremendous value for the customers in that way, because not only does there organizational items that you can use to organize, say, a bullet journal, but there's other ways that you can decorate your planner as well. There's a lot of decoration items, and it's across the board. You have not just planning items for traditional planners like the Erin Condren, the Happy Planner, or even the KRODesigns notebook. You can go ahead and set up an entire planner on your own. I don't think this is mentioned enough in the community. I've been at this over 10 years. I believe that KRODesigns has just the most highest quality materials for the lowest price possible. You really get a bang for your buck. And these are high quality tools that are perfect for everything across the board, including scrapbooking or adding creative touches to your planner. I also think the maximum value is also in play when it comes to the amount of goodies you get. Like I said, they were high quality, but not only can you have enough supplies to set up a planner, you also have enough supplies to set up a bullet journal or a regular junk journal or a creative journal. So many different options with this kit. Even if you don't feel like you're artistic, this kit gives you some creative confidence to make you feel like you are. There's so many elements that are easy to use and work with seamlessly, the rub-ons, the pet stickers, and even the papers. There's no second guessing. You're an artist right from the bat. I know many of you are thinking, this is great and all, Kim, but I still can't get my hands on them. Make sure when you go to the website, you pop onto the Deluxe journaling kit of your choice, click the Notify Me button. This will put you on an email list that as soon as they go into stock, if they have leftovers from shipping from subscribers, you'll get an email that says there's one up for grabs. Again, the Notify Me button is going to be your best friend. Don't worry if you miss out on a certain month. KRODesigns has so many more beautiful kits that I know you'll enjoy too. Thanks so much for joining me today. I had such a blast showing you this rare deluxe journaling kit from Where the Sea Dreams. If you like more of this content, please give it a thumbs up and a like. I enjoy showing you all different things KRODesigns, planner related, scrapbooking, and memory keeping. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.